Hello, welcome to SAT College Board exam. So your SAT Basic Math Practice Lesson 1. So let's welcome to problem number 1. So here we need to find out the value of x. So 3x minus 5 equals to 16. So here we need to convert with like a single digit with x. So we will plus, we will add 5 or both sides. So here 16 plus 5. So now here negative 5 and positive 5 will be 0. So here 3x will come, and here 16 plus 5 equals to 21. So here we need to divide 3x over 3, and here also we need to divide by 3. So 21 over 3. So we will get here 3 times 1 equals to 3. So here also 1. So here x and 3 will goes over 21. It's 7 times here. 1 time. So we have got the answer x equals to 7. So now let's come to another problem. Here solve the system equation. So here 2x plus 3y equals to 10. So from the next equation we will get x equals to 4 plus y. So we can put the 4 plus y against the x. So here 2 times 4 plus y, so plus 3y equals to 10. So here 4 times 2 equals to 8 plus 2y plus 3y. So here equals to 10. So 8 plus 5y equals to 10. So here 5y. So 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So we will get y equals to 2 over 5. So now we need to put 2 over 5 against the value of y. So x equals to 4 plus y equals to 2 over 5. Now we need to solve this addition. So here 5 is the denominator. So here no number is there. So 5 times 1 equals to 5. So 5 times 4 equals to 20. 20 plus 5 times 5. So it's a 5 will goes over 5 1. So 2 times 1 equals to 2. So here 22 over 5. So the value of x is 22 over 5 and value of y is 2 over 5. So now come to problem number 3. Here we need to solve the quadratic equation. So here x square minus 4x minus 12. So here minus 12. So we need to choose the 2 digit which will be multiplied, like we will get the 12. So here 6x, so minus 6x plus 2x. So minus and plus, so minus and plus will multiply with minus. It will give me the answer minus. So we have get 4x. So we can convert like this way. So x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 equals to 0. So here, so we can take a common x minus 6. So we can multiply like x square minus 6x. So here also plus, and we will take 2, and here we will get x minus 6. So here we'll get the separation for the x, and now we can find out the value of x. So here the two coordinates for the point, so it's an equation equals to 0. So here x equals to, we will get the value, one is 6, one is a positive 6 and another is negative 2. So the first one is first one is 6 and another one is positive, so negative 2. So this will be the answer for this question. So now come to another problem. Your circle has a radius of 7. So here r equals to 7. So we need to find out the area of circle. So we need to find out the area. So it's an area 2 pi r. It's a parameter. So the value of r equals to 7 and pi equals to 3.14. So we will get 2 pi r. 2 pi r equals to 2 multiplied with 3.14 multiplied with 7. So here 14. 7 times 2 equals to 14 multiplied with 314. So here we can simply multiply like 3 times 14. 3 times 14, how much? 14 times 2 equals to 28 times. So 3 times 14 equal to 42, plus here we need to multiply with 4 times 14. So 4 times 14 equals to 56. Here 6 will come, and 5 is a carry for next digit. And 14 times 1 plus, so 14 plus 5 equals to 9. So here we need to put here, so it's a 43.96 meter. So now come to another one. So let's come to another problem. If you roll a fair 6-sided die, so what is the probability of a rolling number greater than 4? So it's a 3. So a fair of 6 solid sides, 6-sided die. So here 6-sided die means like it's a 6-sided die. Okay, so we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and another one is 6 here. So it's a 6 side we will get, and the rolling number will be, so here greater than 4, so we will get two numbers, so 5 and 6, 5 and 6. So as a 2 over 6, so we will get the answer like 1 over 3. Now come to the problem is here. If the ratio of ages of Sarah and Tom is 3:4 equals to 3 over 4. So Sarah is 12 years old, and how old is Tom? So Sarah and Tom. So we think the Tom ages is y or x. Think about x. So x times 4 over 3. Just simply flip 4 over 3 equals to 12 is here. So here x multiply with 4, it's 4 times x equals to 3 times 12 equals to 36. So 36 here, the age of Tom is 36 over 4, so it's become 9. It becomes 9. So the answer is 9. So let's come to another problem. Simply find the expression 2 power. So 2 power cube is a 2 cube times 2 4. So it's a 2 cube means 2 multiply with itself 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2 equals to 2 times 2 4 times 2 8, and another one is 2 times 2. 8 times 2 equals to 4 16. So it will give me like 8 times 16. So 8 times 16. 8 times 6 equals to 48. Here 4 comes, and 8 times 1 equals to 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So it's 12. So 128. So the answer is 128. So now come to another problem. Here is solve the inequality. So here 5x plus 3. It's an easy math like this way. So try this one in your home. So it's a 6x plus 9 greater than 21. So this like a problem you can try. So first I will solve this problem. So 5x plus 3 minus 3. Here also we need to minus 3. So now come to another one. So here 3 and 3 will be reducted, and here simply we have get the 5x. So here 18 minus 3 equals to 15. So here we will divide 5x over 5. Divide by 5 both the cases, both sides. So here we will get the x greater than 3. So now we have got the equal relation. So here if f of x equals to 2x plus 5, now if f of 3, so we need to find the value of f of 3. So here f of 3 equals to 2 times 3 plus 5. It's 3 times 2 equals to 6 plus 5 equals to 11. So the answer is 11. So thanks for watching this video, and this types of problem already encountered inside the SAT exam. So hope if you profited or benefited to see this tutorial. In this series we will provide you 10 different multiple questions and answering solutions. So this will be perfect for you if either you need any kinds of one-to-one tutoring service. So please ask me and feel free to question any kinds of answer or any kinds of question. So you can ask me for. So thanks for again. So just go for it. This race tutorial, it's a SATs exam. I have covered ASVAB, FOQT test, and HESI math. These types of mathematics but competitive exam I will cover in this tutorial. Thanks for watching again. Goodbye for now.